Hi guys, welcome to InfinityMate. So today we are going to talk about Web 3.0. In order to talk about Web 3.0, we have to have a good knowledge on Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. So we'll start with Web 1.0. Between the years of 1991 to 2004, the internet was bunch of static pages which only shows the content. There's no interactivity with these websites. No login, no interaction between posts or viewing analytics. Web 1.0 was not even profitable by ads. Users are only considered as consumers. Web 1.0 is called as synthetic web and read-only web. Now we are going to see some examples for Web 1.0. Online encyclopedias, personal sites, static information sites, online newspapers, and personal blogs. For Web 1.0, with time, slowly made improvements with Flash and JavaScript to add new features. Next, we have Web 2.0. From around 2004 to until now, by this time, web has evolved a lot. One of the biggest changes are the interactivity of websites. With those interactivity, social media was born. Centralized companies like Facebook has given opportunity to people to show their content and give others a platform to interact with those content. At the meantime, they gather data on customers, on their location, work, gender, performance, and interests. Then they sorted those data to show relevant ads to the users depending on their likes and behaviors. The centralized companies store users' personal data which user has provided permission to store when they are using social media platforms and other interactive websites. Then these companies analyze those data to show better content to keep that user more time in their platforms, and this means more money to them. In Web 2.0, me and you both can view facebook.com and see two different web pages due to the different data we both have provided to the company. But the ads will be shown to you in these platforms by knowing your previous searches, preferences, likes, and interests will be sorted through the data that you don't know that you have provided to these platforms. This is the privacy issue you can see in Web 2.0. Have you experienced that you have searched for something in Google and then after that you will be bombarded with ads in social media platforms related to that search? So this is the examples that these companies are stealing data from us and showing ads related to that search. So this can be mentioned as a problem in Web 2.0. So in this case, user doesn't know that these companies have taken their data. So this is another problem we can see in Web 2.0. So now we are going to talk about the masterpiece of all, Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is the next evolution of the internet, utilizing blockchain technology and the tools of decentralization. In Web 2.0, when you use Facebook or any other platforms, user will only be a product. Company will be the owner of the content and controls users' personal data. Company can remove or block any content or a user according to their own policies. But in Web 3.0, users have full control on managing and handling their own content. User will be the owner of the content and controls their own personal data. Whatever your content is, you can publish and take down when you want without any strings attached. Here is one Web 3.0 example which is already real. DTube is a state of art video streaming platform which will be a blockchain alternative for YouTube. According to the platform's website, DTube represents the world's first crypto based video platform that's decentralized and built using the infrastructure provided by the Steam blockchain alongside the IPFS P2P network. Creators can upload their videos and they can earn DTube coins basically as a reward to encourage them to use the platform more and more. The company has no actual means to censor videos or enforce specific content guidelines. Censorship powers are placed in users' hands who decide which videos to censor or promote via upwards and downwards. Taking down a content will not be easy on Web 3.0 because it will not be available in one server. Technically, the content will be on thousands of computers around the world in a blockchain network. One risk we can see in Web 3.0 that the risk of illegal and hateful things can be posted in the platforms because no control or proper verification taken place. But it is in the name of the freedom for the users to post any of their thoughts. One of the biggest things in Web 3.0 is that your digital identity is not 100% connected to your real world identity. This means view pages, download, and shop things without being traced on personal data or preferences. Web 3.0 is a big concept which contains a lot of little ideas with blockchain and decentralization. With Web 3.0, you can buy Amazon items with MetaMask and pay with cryptocurrency. You can add anonymous likes to other decentralized platforms' content. So, Web 3.0 will be interrelated ideas work as one to achieve several tasks. It will not be life-changing revolution at the beginning, but it will be a great help to experience a new technological world.